Okay, welcome back to the channel. So today is kind of going to be a short video on an update, uh, kind of on the channel and kind of on me. It looks like we're moving. Uh, we met with a real estate agent up here yesterday. They're going to do a market analysis of our house, and I've been in contact with several real estate agents down south. Right now, as you all know, that we live in the People's Republic of Massachusetts. Property taxes here are outrageous. We're paying about a little over $7,000 a year for property tax. It's expected to go up to about $8,000 in the next year, and that's just not sustainable for us. I'm retired, of course. My wife's going to be retiring in January. So we're looking right now in North Carolina, Tennessee, and West Virginia. And West Virginia so far has been the most promising. Uh, Properties in North Carolina and Tennessee tend to be kind of expensive. West Virginia, we can get 100 acres on a 4-bedroom house for 300,000-400,000. So right now, that's what we're kind of shooting for. We're kind of looking at West Virginia, the northwest part of West Virginia. So down south, you kind of have to watch where the counties you live at, because West Virginia has declared that they want to be the AI data center of the South, meaning these huge data centers that go everywhere. So we're looking in that part of West Virginia because there's nothing planned, because it's all mountainous. We've looked at several properties, and I'm probably going to end up flying down there in probably another week. I can't do it this week because I have doctor's appointment this week and next week. Saturday, we're actually having a town-wide yard sale, and we're probably going to have yard sales now for the next couple months. If we don't find a property by October, we're probably going to hold off until the spring. Okay, so a couple of the criteria that we need. It's got to have a garage. So if we don't find anything by October, we probably won't move until the spring, because if it doesn't have a garage, I'm going to have something built. And I'm planning on probably a Morton building to go up on the property. And I don't know how well that's going to work in like November, December. And I really don't want to move in November, December with the snow, because there's snow up here. There's going to be snow down there. And I really don't want to start loading trucks up. We're planning on getting like Mayflower to move us, so we don't have to deal with that issue, or we're just going to get one of those pods and hire somebody to load the pod. Now, the pods, you can store the pods at their site for, I think the first 30 days is free. But we're not going to put our house on the market until we're actually out of this house and we bought another house, because there's some work that I want to do to the interior of this house. We want to paint. We need to refinish the floors, because anybody that has dogs knows that hardwood floors and dogs really don't get along. So we'd have to refinish some of the floors in there. So it's going to be a big job to move. We've been in this house 20 years, but we decided that we have just had enough of the taxes up here. It's absolutely ridiculous. So not only do we have to move 4 dogs, we're going to have to move geese, and we have chickens. We've kind of worked that out. We're probably going to sell or trade in both the truck and the car for a newer truck. Probably not going to get a brand new one, but I don't know that the truck that we have with 125,000 miles on it in a 2013 is going to make the 800-mile journey towing a trailer, and I don't want to take the chance on that, because we planned on putting like the geese and the chickens in dog crates and putting them in the back of a pickup with a cap on it. So I'm going to be looking for a new truck, and I won't be doing that until we actually buy another house, because if we don't buy it by October, there's no point in me buying a new truck now. I really don't need one. We only need one for this move. So we're still looking at some properties right now. I've looked at 4, I think. So I might end up flying down to West Virginia here probably next week to meet up with a real estate agent and look for those properties. So for the time being, there won't be any motorcycle builds, because I don't want to start one and then have the thing in pieces and then end up moving. So I probably would not start a build. Like I said, if we don't move by October, then I'll probably start a build, because we're going to be here until the spring. we can still buy a house down there, but we can't get it set up the way we want it. We have to get fencing put in for the dogs. We have to get something built for the geese, something built for the chickens. And I don't know how well that's going to work, down there in December of having that done. We talked about getting some chicken coops from like Tractor Supply, but the geese, we'd probably have to get a shed from like Lowe's or something and have that put in. I'm pretty sure they could put that in. It's not a big deal. Logistically, it's an issue getting all those animals down there because we can't fit them all, obviously, in a pickup truck. So it looks like we're probably going to rent like a 12-passenger van, and we'll take the dogs in the van, and my wife will take the truck and the trailer with we're going to get a cap for whatever truck we get, and that way we can put the geese and the chickens in the bed of the truck to have a cap on it with, cages for them to get down there. It's only about a 12-hour drive down there, so it's not like it's days to get down there. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. We just kind of made this decision last week. Like I said, we had a real estate agent over here yesterday. He's supposed to come back Friday. Today's Wednesday, to give us the market analysis on what he thinks we could get for this house. I'm hoping that there's a couple of properties that we're really interested in, and it looks like I'm probably going to have to fly down there to look at them. So anyway, we're kind of looking forward to this, to move down there. We're looking at properties right now that have a minimum of 50 acres, all the way up to 140 acres is what some of the properties we've been looking at. So I want to have plenty of woods so I can set up my own shooting range out there and take walks out in the woods and everything like that. So anyway, I'll keep you updated. I'm not sure when I'll do another video. Maybe when I fly down to West Virginia and Tennessee to look at some properties. I'll probably do a video when I do that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.